So we're back, and I had to take care of some other things. But pretty much it's plug and play. Plug this in, plug this one in, where there's a SIM card compartment here. This is the GPS. I'll plug it in into this part here. Quite very straightforward, to be honest. That's in. The normal radio antenna. Yes, this one. This is for the reverse camera. This is very important. All plugged in. And this one is the optional bit I talked about, but it's not very important if you don't want to. So we've got another USB cable. Yeah, this is for the mic. So this one runs through from the top all the way and comes somewhere here, so it's very audible for you. This I shall do later. So there is this bit. Yes. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this one, this single one, for the USB DAB antenna. That's what I'm going to use this one for. So this goes into here, this goes into here, and what else? Pretty much. It's not so, to be honest, it's not a lot to deal with. So this one goes into here. Everything is pretty much plug and play, to be honest. One. So there is this one. I must have lost it somewhere. Right. Sure, it's somewhere. So I've been going pretty much back and forth, but I'm here now. Everything is pretty much done, and as I said, you know, just like I said before, everything here is plug and play. You know, everything you see here was plugged out from the old device and plugged in back here. There is nothing too difficult, to be honest. You just need to be patient, you just need to take your time and just do one after the other, and everything is quite simple and easy. So there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pretty much 7 switches only, and you're good to go. So guys, it's a very good device. It's a very, this is how it looks like. It looks very nice, and I recommend this device if you use a 2014, 2013 and above Honda CR-V. I recommend you get this device. It's disregards the amount of wires you see here. It's just everything is properly arranged by the supplier, and I plugged. It was just about 1, 2, 3, 4, just a few switches, to be honest. I think no more than 5 or 6 of the switches. Plug that in and assemble everything back. And of course, I had to put my microphone here so it could be very close to me, so it can be very audible. And my DAB antenna went over there, and you know, apologies for not, it was quite very messy trying to run these wires all the way up here to this point. It was a lot, so I didn't want to, it was going to take too much time to film it. But I did the running. I ran it through these bits, came here, you know, came all the way from the inside, came all the way down there, and all that stuff. So pretty much it's quite a very straightforward process. I'm happy to give ideas and share ideas if anyone has questions or has difficulties trying to install this. But it is all right. I love it. It works fine. I'm going to try and switch it back on. I've tested it earlier. It works. Everything works, you know. So this is it. The reverse camera works, you know. It works just fine. You know, everything seems pretty much straightforward. It's nice. Back into drive, radio, you know, so it's, and the volume control, yes, these bits, see, it works. You know, this one is the source button. It does everything as well, so it works. It really does work. You know, coming back here, coming back to the radio, and with the DAB, it's got so much to play around with, so much. You know, so it's really nice, guys. You know, it's so much to play around with. We've not got so much time, but you know, it's so much to play around with. So happy days, guys.